What's the meaning of bald-faced? Bald-faced. Bald-faced.
Bald-faced. Bald-faced. The term bald-faced is an adjective used to describe a person, statement, or action that is unashamedly and blatantly obvious or done without attempting to conceal intentions. It is often used to describe a lie that is told openly and with no attempt at deception. The origin of the term comes from the literal meaning of bald as lacking hair or covering, hence bald-faced meaning uncovered or exposed. The term has evolved to be commonly used in modern language to describe any blatant or brazen behavior. It is an effective way to call out someone's dishonesty or lack of shame in their actions.